If you've got leftover stuffing, leftover turkey, and some cranberry sauce, it's time to get poppin'. Howard shows us a tasty makeover recipe for your Thanksgiving leftovers in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
I hope you had a nice Thanksgiving. No matter what you have on tap today, whether it be taking advantage of all the Black Friday deals or vegging out on the couch, we have a way to turn yesterday's leftovers into a fun favorite that's way better than eating some plain old turkey sandwich. For this, all we do is flatten a package of refrigerated buttermilk biscuits so they're almost pie crust thin. On top of each biscuit, we put a healthy spoonful of stuffing or mashed potatoes, a bit of cranberry sauce, and some chunked up turkey. Then we fold the dough over the filling and place them seam side down on a baking sheet. We'll brush these with a beaten egg and into the oven they go until the filling is hot and the crust is golden. When these come out of the oven, your whole house will smell like Thanksgiving all over again. Maybe spoon some leftover gravy over each one before digging in. As always, you can find the recipe for our Thanksgiving leftover poppers online, just in time to make today's feast as memorable as yesterday's. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a magical way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.